What is going on, y'all? Welcome back to another episode of Coastal Carolina Living. Man, it's been a while. Things are still a little bit crazy, but we've got the office almost all the way complete. I'd say about 99% of the way there. As you guys can see, it's looking pretty good. But hopefully we'll have a video in the next few weeks. On today's episode, we're heading out pig hunting. And man, this was a close one. We got stuck in a crazy thunderstorm. You guys have to see what happens.
See 3 heat signatures moving.
Yeah, I can't get any eyeballs. So, with filming in the rain, obviously things get tricky. Filming pig hunts in general is tricky because everything's at night. So I just wanted to add some context to what you guys are seeing. We pulled up to this crop field. We're still in the truck, downpouring. These are very soft, sandy roads, so very sketchy driving. We're scanning the fields with a thermal. We see one lone, pretty large sized pig. We have to get to a spot where we can at least park and try to make a stock by foot with handheld thermal, night vision rifle, and I've got night vision binoculars on right now. Yeah. Oh, I saw an eyeball there.
Get a little bit closer. You saw this critter. It's not a pig, I don't think. I'm more worried about what's the off here
You'll see us making this stalk through the field, trying to close that gap on that pig, so we can get within probably 100, 150 yards so we could try to make a shot.
I don't see anything.
The wind ends up switching and you can hear me call it out in the video because I could feel it. I felt it on my neck when it switched.
Not bad.
You see an eyeball glowing.
Yeah, I see 2 eyeballs where he's moving around a lot. I want you to see if you can see body. I can see his body's not that bad. You recording?
He's working towards us, ain't he?
Okay. He is moving around a lot.
Yeah, he is.
I want you to find a way that you can aim that you know that you've got facing you. You've got the biggest opportunity to hit that pig in front of the shoulder between the eyes. So between the shoulders and the eyes is your target. Okay. I want you to be able to see his body. That way you can't go left or right. And then when you're in a position where you think you can get a good shot, if you know you can hit that thing, put the crosshairs on the biggest portion. I got visibility problems with my stuff because we're getting wet. Yep. So I'm no better. Huh? I'm no better. Do you have good visibility? Yeah, I can see him. I can see him fine.
Yeah, I can see the eyeball popping around, but he's moving a lot.
Yeah, I can see his body turning.
Oh, now he's facing us.
He had stopped long enough for me to even...
He's working towards us.
He's working towards us now, so
Oh, that wind's at our back, though.
that's not speaking.
That wind feels like it's at our back. Yep,
Oh, yeah,
he's busted. You're still on him.
Yep, I'm on.
If he stopped,
He's not going to stop. His butt's spinning, so I can't do anything.
he's still running.
Aiming in the right direction.
You got to go more left. He was in that back corner. I got nothing anymore.
I can't hear either one of you.
I got nothing anymore.
He's gone? Yep. Okay, so we're done.
And just like that, that pig was gone. That wind switched, and it switched hard. I could feel it. About 5 seconds later, that pig was gone. Not a whole lot you could do when the wind switches like that, except maybe try to get a quick shot off, but that wasn't really possible in this case. Nonetheless, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Man, I have not been out pig hunting in felt like months at this point. Hopefully I'll get some free time here in the next few weeks to go out. Hope you guys liked the video. If you have any comments, drop them down below. Let me know what you think of The Office so far. A few odds and ends left, and give you guys a full tour. Catch you on the next one. Peace.